In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger organization, tracking expenses accurately is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial overview. Zoho Books makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central hub, providing an overview of your financial activities. From here, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find a variety of options. You'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Purchases. The Purchases section is where you manage all transactions related to buying goods or services, and it's where we'll be focusing today. After clicking on Purchases, you'll see several tabs appear. Among these, find and click on Expenses. This tab is specifically designed for recording and managing the money spent on business operations. It's a crucial part of maintaining accurate financial records, ensuring that all outgoings are accounted for. Now that you're in the Expenses section, you'll notice an option to Add Expense. Clicking this will open up a form where you can input all the relevant details of the expense you're recording. Here, you should fill in all necessary fields such as the date of the transaction, the amount, and the category it falls under. You can also add notes to provide context for the expense or upload receipts and invoices for more detailed record keeping. This level of detail is incredibly useful for future reference or audits, ensuring everything is documented clearly. Once you've filled out all the required information, double-check to make sure everything is correct. It's always a good idea to review your entries to avoid any discrepancies later. After confirming that all details are accurate, go ahead and save the expense. You'll see it listed in the Expenses section, and it will now be part of your financial records in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can ensure that every expense is captured accurately, helping you maintain a clear and organized financial picture. Keeping track of expenses not only aids in budgeting, but also provides valuable insights into your spending patterns, which can be crucial for strategic financial planning. And there you have it. That's how you enter expenses in Zoho Books. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you. Remember, staying on top of your finances is key to successful business management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tutorials on managing your finances with ease.